How to fix YouTube playback paused because your account is being used in another location error. To fix YouTube playback paused because your account is being used in another location error, try these steps. 1. Log out of all devices by accessing https://myaccount.google.com/?PLI=1. Hint, hit the right arrow and launch the sign out option under the device name. 2. Set up Google two-step authentication/verification at https://myaccount.google.com/security. 3. Return to YouTube, refresh the video page, and watch the VID later. Note, you may need to restart your internet connection, router. Last but not least, try streaming YouTube on a different browser and contact YouTube forums for more help.